Here's how you can use essential oils to make your own simple floor cleaner with this simple floor cleaning recipe from Simply Earth. Hi, I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist and co-founder of Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use natural ingredients to make their own natural products. In this video, we're going to be making a simple floor cleaner. Let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make natural products. And so we have this really great box that can be delivered straight to your door, and we'll give you everything you need for this recipe. When you subscribe, you'll even get a big bonus box. The ingredients are also available on the Simply Earth website. To make this recipe, you're going to need 1 cleaning balm, 10 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, 10 drops of citrus burst essential oil blend, and 3 drops of oregano. You're also going to need about 2 gallons of water, or how much water you need to mop your floors, plus a bucket and mop. To make this recipe, we're going to add our cleaning balm to the bucket, and then we're going to add our essential oils. 10 drops of grapefruit, 10 drops of tea tree, 10 drops of citrus burst, and 3 drops of oregano. These oils smell really good together, and they're also great natural cleaners. Now I'm going to fill my cleaning bucket up with water and let the cleaning balm do its magic. Now my cleaning solution is ready. I can use this with a regular mop. Just dip my mop in and mop the floors, or I can fill up a cartridge like this to use with a squirt mop. Keep in mind that essential oils do break down plastic, so after you're done cleaning your floors, rinse this out to help prevent that. Essential oils are safe in PET grade plastic, so if you know your container is made out of that, you can leave the solution in there. Let's test it out. I love how clean and fresh this recipe makes my home. And you can make this too. Learn how to turn natural ingredients into natural products you can use every day with Simply Earth's DIY cleaning box. This box actually teaches you the magic of turning natural ingredients into natural products. When you make this recipe, take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you'll automatically be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge, and you could be featured on our website, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth's website. I'd love to see a before and after picture of what your floor looks like using this simple cleaner. Follow for more natural recipes just like this one.